Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, my students. How's your life today? Are you fine?
Good afternoon, I'm fine. Thank you.
Alhamdulillah ya. I'm so fine, thank you. I hope all of us in a healthy and good condition, so we can focus on participating our class today. Yeah, don't forget using your mask wherever you go and washing hands no matter what activities that we do. Before starting our class this afternoon, let me ask you to pray together according of each of our religions. Pray, please begin. Amin. Okay, finish. Thank you. Let me check your name first. Who is absent today? Alia?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Clarin?
Present, ma'am.
Right, thank you. Maulia?
I'm home, ma'am.
Yeah. Here, yeah, I will give you the feedback for your last assessment about our class last meeting. Yeah, this is about writing an invitation card, right? All of you get the best score. Yeah, I think you get a score up to the maximum score. So it means that we doesn't need to have the remedial test. Okay, thank you. And for the enrichment, let me give you information later after this class. Yeah, but here there are still 2 students here are not submit the assignment. Let me know why. I will give you 6 title of the story. Maybe you have ever heard or you have ever read this one. Yeah, please observe this title of the story. I will give you the pictures and match which the picture and which one the title is. Matching point A, B, C or D? Okay, right, yeah. Sangkuriang F, good. Next. Okay, good. Next, number 3. So, the matching point is
A.
Okay, great. Next, wow, there is a long hair. Which one?
D.
D.
Rapunzel.
Good. Okay. Okay.
Narrative.
Did you ever heard narrative text?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So for today, yeah, we are going to learn about narrative text. It is a fiction story. Yeah. Okay. Okay. As I have told you before, narrative text is a fiction story. Do you know what is a fiction story?
Not real story.
Not real, great, yeah? Not real. It is a fiction, fictive, yeah? It is not real, it is from imagination, right? Okay. The second one. It is a text, yeah? Narrative text is a text that created an imagination from the writer, yeah, with the complication or event and the resolution at the end of the story, yeah. Sometimes the resolution have the moral values that can be learned from the story. The purpose of narrative text is to entertain or to amuse the readers. Okay. Now, if you have now the definition of narrative, so today, how many kinds of narrative text did you know?
Fairy tale.
Okay, the first one is fairy tale. And the second one, this one, fables. Yeah. So maybe in Indonesia, we have ever heard about the story of Mak Lampir. Maybe, yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Next, it is the legend. Yeah. And this is the last one. Yeah. It is a folk tales or tall tales. And you can see this one. Yeah. If fairy tales, The main clues is there's a magic here in fairy tales, and the characters using king and queen. The specific point of mythos, there is a magic. That is the same with fairy tales and the legend. You can see this one. Yeah. Mythos also have the magic on the story. Yeah. Legend and the tall tales or folk tales have the same point. Yeah. It is everyday people habitual action. Yeah, everyday people, our daily life. In opening paragraph, there is information about the participant or characters in the story, and there is information about place and time when the story happened. The second paragraph is complications, yeah, and the third one resolution, yeah. The last paragraph is reorientation, and there is a summary of the story, yeah. Sometimes in orientation, yeah, there is a moral values, yeah, that can we learn from the story. Now we have talked about the special language features of the narrative text. The first one, narrative text use the verb to, and then this is use adverb of time. Yeah, the special language feature is use time phrase. Now I will give you the video.
The Peacock and the Crane.
Once there was a beautiful peacock in the woods. Wow, peacock! Your feathers are so beautiful!
Colorful and shiny. Aren't they gorgeous?
Yes, they are. I wish I could have colorful feathers just like you.
Only I, the peacock, can have these beautiful feathers. Don't even dream about it. La 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 la.
Ha! What a show-off! Ha! Ha!
Yeah, you're the best.
Whatever. The peacock went to the riverside for some water.
I'm a crane.
A crane, huh? I'm a peacock. I have feathers that are shiny and gorgeous.
Oh, right. They look good.
The crane walked along the river.
Huh. She wasn't even surprised. Look at all these colors of the rainbow on my feathers. What's wrong with yours? They look gray and dusty.
Yes, you are very beautiful. But I don't envy you at all.
What? Don't lie. How could you not envy these beautiful feathers?
I can fly up into the sky with my wings. I travel around the world and go wherever I want.
Oh, I see.
What can you do with those feathers? Grooming and showing off? What else can you do? It seems you look good on the outside, but not inside.
The peacock felt so ashamed, he folded his feathers.
Oh, gee.
What is the title of the story from the video? This one? Who can answer? Please say your name.
Ma'am.
Okay, please Alia.
Peacock and the Crane.
Okay, good. There is a story. The title is The Ant and the Dove. to identify which one the paragraph 1, which one the paragraph 2, and the others. Have you finished? Okay, who can answer?
Alia,
Who can
ma'am.
answer? Alia.
Paragraph 3 is 1 is orientation.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, which one? The number 2.
Paragraph number 1 is number 2. It's complication.
Oh, this is, yeah. Okay, good. I ask you to find out as much as you can. How many virtues in the story? There are 5 sequence of pictures. Yeah. Please write, yeah, a simple story. If you have any questions, yeah, about to know how to write this one, please ask me. One of you, please read the result of your writing. Who can try?
I want to try, miss. One day, a lion lived in the woods. While the lion was resting, a little mouse came along offering to entertain him with a musical instrument. But the lion refused him proudly. And the next day, the lion was walking in the woods. Without him knowing, it was a hunter who set a trap in the woods. The lion jumped, but the rat that yesterday it threw him out of the wood.
Give you applause first for Clarin. Yeah. Okay, now, yeah, based on these pictures, yeah, I think the result of your writing is good enough. Yeah, thank you, Clarin. Now, who can answer? Who is the characters or who is the participants on this story? Who knows?
Lion and mouse.
The lion and
Mouse.
mouse. Okay, good. Where the story happened?
In the woods.
In the woods. Yeah. Niels?
In the jungle.
Okay, good. So for the other student, after this class, I hope you to take the result of your writing in the photo and send the answer on our WhatsApp group. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
There are 4 questions here. The title is The Fox and the Crow. This is for your homework. Yeah? Please doing this task on your homework. We are at the end of these lessons. Yeah? This is reflection time. Yeah? We have learned so many things about narrative text. You enjoy when you learn the material.
Yes.
Are you happy?
I enjoy.
Yeah. Are the narrative text makes you happy or fun when you read or when you hear?
Yes.
Okay, good. If you have the difficult like that, yeah, you can use the translator like dictionary. Maybe you also have by online translator. Yeah, we can learn the moral values. Yeah, do some the story makes you positive things for you.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. I think that's all for class. Yeah. Don't forget to send me your photos about the result of your paragraph. Yeah, at task 4. I'm waiting you about this one. And thank you for this following this class. Yeah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.